I really don't do wigs like this at all. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Laicharris, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I kind of transformed or made a synthetic wig look natural. As you guys know, I do not do syntheticas, but I'm trying a new series on my channel, and I just wanted to make affordable wigs look as natural as possible. So if you guys want to see how I got my wig like this, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try this wig here. It is a synthetic wig. It is called Angel Face, and it's like a kinky curly type wig, and it's in the color 1B. So this is what the wig looks like. It has like a small little part here where like the lace would be, and then it's like a tiny little bit of lace on the edges too. I guess it's what they would call those like little T-part wigs. And it just has this up here. I think it is heat safe. Yeah, it's heat safe up to 400 degrees, which is cool because I'm definitely gonna need to hot comb the part and everything. But this is what the hair looks like. It has these nice cute little curls at the end, and it is pretty soft. It looks just like textured hair. It's supposed to be, I guess, like a 3B to 4C. So I'm just gonna put it on. I have somewhere to go, so this is kind of gonna be a quick one. Okay, so right off bat, it is pretty snug. It does hit ear to ear, as you guys can see. Probably gonna need to do some plucking for sure. And then it has these little baby hairs here, I guess. But yeah, I'm just going to add the comb in the back just so it can be secure. All right, so this is what it looks like. So we're gonna get to plucking this period because I don't do wigs like this. So I guess I'll start on this side. I don't know what we gonna have going. It's like literally like a freaking Barbie hairline. But we're gonna see if we can get a little something. So I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. I was doing a lot of plucking and nothing was happening. I don't know if these were like some type of super knots or something, but they weren't, you know, plucking like a regular lace would. So I mean, I did the best that I could. Okay, so I plucked it as best as I could. There's like literally no lace on the side, so we'll just make it look like something with some baby hairs. But I'm just going to cut off this excess lace here. Okay, so this is supposed to be heat safe. I had this on like 10. I usually put it on 20. So we're gonna see. And just like a FYI, if you want to like flat iron or put any heat to this hair, it already comes pretty textured, but once you put the heat, it's like it like straightens it. So keep that in mind. I don't know if it will come back with water, but this is what I saw. Okay, I think I got it as flat as it's gonna get at the top right now. So now I'm just gonna cut some little layers in the front, like some face framing layers. I think I'm gonna cut them like probably around right here. And as you can see here with me combing it, it does tangle a little bit. Like it tangles like occasionally, but I mean, it's not hard to get out. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to add some flips and curls throughout the hair. But before I do that, I'm just going to add my concealer on the part just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So I was trying my hardest to straighten or add some curls to this hair. I don't think I've ever really tried to add heat to a synthetic wig, so this was new to me. But yeah, I'm just trying to put a little bit of flips in there. And now we're getting into the baby hairs. So yeah, I'm basically just cutting where I want my baby hairs to be and applying some foaming, wrapping foam. And then I went in with the gel. And then here we have it. This is what I came up with. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I did the best I could with this little bit of lace, and you know, it's a synthetica, so I added some little baby hairs, and this is what I came up with. Okay guys, so if you guys saw in the previous video when I filmed it a few days ago, you guys saw that all in my hairline, it was still pretty white because this lace comes like very white and transparent. So I'm just going to tell you guys what I did off camera to fix it. It wasn't too much different. I just basically tinted the lace, and instead of foam I used a gel to lay down the baby hairs because they're a little bit different. This hair is a little bit different than, you know, natural or regular human hair. So I decided to tint my lace with this lace tint spray. You don't have to use any lace tint spray. You could use foundation, you could use concealer, you could use powder that matches your skin tone, anything to like basically blend it in. That's what I did. And then I just used concealer for my part, just like I did in the previous video. But the only thing that I really did off camera was tint my lace because it was looking crazy. So I just need to tint my lace to make it basically blend in with my forehead and look more natural. Also, I use this gel here to lay down the baby hairs because the foam would work, but it just didn't stay down like it would with human hair, because the human hair is a little bit thinner. I guess it's a lot thicker, so I use this to lay it down. It's basically like got to be glue gel, but it's by Style Factor. And then I just used my scarf to tie it down and hold it down for a little bit, and that was pretty much it. I did add a few little curls and everything at the end just to, you know, jazz it up a little bit. I guess I can do another video on how to curl synthetic hair because it's definitely not the same as curling human hair. Like, you curl the human hair and it stays. You curl this synthetic hair, it kind of like stay straight. So you have to make sure that you curl it in a way that it holds whatever position it is while it's hot, and then that's just that on that. But yeah, this was my video showing you guys how I made this wig look like this. If it was helpful for you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel because I really want to get to 1,000. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.